Guys, you seen the title in the thumbnail. I seen this recipe on TikTok, and man, I was like, I gotta try it. Never saw spaghetti made like this, but I'm telling you, I already know it's gonna be fire. It's gonna be a killer, hence assassin spaghetti. I'm gonna show you guys exactly how to do it. You ready? Get in your kitchen, let's go. All right, guys, let's get right to it, man. I'm excited about this recipe. So right here in our pot, we have about 1 liter of water. Here we have tomato puree, we have olive oil, some tomato paste, some salt, some garlic cloves, some sugar. Here we have some red chilies and some red chili flakes. So these are the ingredients, guys. Let's get started. So we're gonna start here on our cooktop with our liter of water. We're gonna go ahead and turn this baby on. And we're going to add our tomato paste. And we're just going to get this whisk up like this. We're going to set it to a medium high. And right before it comes to boil, or right when it starts boiling, guys, that's when it's ready. You want to go ahead and turn your heat off and remove your pot. We're going to add a little salt to that. All right, so it looks like we're there. We're coming up to a slight boil. So I'm gonna turn our heat off and we're gonna remove our tomato broth and we're gonna sit it aside, bring over our cast iron skillet. All right, so now it's time to get to business. We're gonna add our ½ cup of olive oil and we're gonna bring this up to a medium heat. You definitely don't wanna have your heat too high because this is olive oil. It doesn't have a high smoke point, so you can burn it real quick. All right, so now we're gonna start adding our garlic. Now I chopped a piece of the garlic and then the rest of my left cloves, whole cloves. Add our chili peppers, or chili flakes, I'm sorry, and our red peppers. And guys, we're gonna cook this for about 45 seconds to a minute. You want that garlic to be a golden color, but you don't wanna brown it. So adjust your heat accordingly. After about 45 seconds to a minute, we're gonna start adding our puree. And this is just gonna be like for the bed of our pasta. So we're gonna get this mixed in like this. Now you wanna kinda increase your temperature to around a medium. And we're gonna stir this for about a minute. All right, so now we're about a minute in, and now we're finna add our pasta. And this is the important part of why you need to have the right size pan, because you wanna add your pasta, you wanna make sure that it fits in and it doesn't hang off the sides. And we're just gonna get this spreaded out over here like this. And we're gonna let this cook for about 2 minutes, and you'll start hearing the pasta crack, and that's how you're gonna know when it's time to start flipping it over. All right, guys, so it's time to flip our pasta. And you should have a nice sear on the bottom. And you don't have to be real perfect when you flip it over. If you want to do a little bit at a time, you can. And we're gonna get this. As you can see, you see that slight char right here? That's what you want it to look like. And we're gonna let this cook again, or continue to cook on this side, same time, about 2 to 3 minutes, until we start hearing that crackling sound, and we get that same char on both sides. All right, guys, we're gonna give this another flip. That's what we're looking for right there. That's what I'm talking about. Oh man, look at that char. And by this time, guys, you will be able to see that A lot of the liquid has been absorbed. Still got a little olive oil in there, but we're gonna let this cook for another minute on this side, and then we're gonna continue. All right, so as you can see, our pasta has actually absorbed all of the liquid. So now we're gonna take our puree, our tomato broth, let me say it right, over our pasta just like that. And I'm gonna do like 3 ladles of that right here. And we're gonna let that cook. And as the liquid absorbs, you're gonna continue to add more of that tomato broth until it's all gone or until your pasta is cooked al dente. And guys, when you start hearing that crackling sound again, that's when you know to go back in with some more of that tomato broth. All right, guys, so we finished all our tomato broth. Our pasta is al dente. Man, look at this, man. Guys, if you can smell the aroma, you'll be amazed. You like that sear that's on the pasta like that. Oh man, let's turn our heat off and we're gonna go ahead and get this baby plated up so we can jump into quality control, all right? There you have it, guys. Assassin spaghetti. Bang. Knocked it out the park. All right, guys. Let me know what you think about this in the comment section below. Let's jump over to quality control because I'm hungry. And man, smells good. Let's go. All right, guys. Quality control time. We got that assassin spaghetti, or if you want to call it that killer spaghetti. We're going to go ahead and dip right into it. Waste no time. Y'all know I'm excited about this one. Oh, man. I see why they call it assassin. I don't know if it's because it's good or I'm gonna kill it. Oh man, I can't even describe it because I mean this process of making this is so unorthodox that I can't even really tell you why it tastes so good, but I know it tastes delicious. So until then, guys, I'm your cook, Spinelli, all wings, everything. And remember, I'm not a chef, just cook a lot. And I'm out. Peace.